Hello, this is Sul Lee from Sul Lee Law Firm. If you're in a partnership dispute, I think one thing you have to keep in mind is that you do have to move fast. Unlike other dispute partners, partnership dispute moves really fast because when partners start to get into disagreement and disputes, it's typical to see one partner starting to exert more control in the company, or they start to transfer and move away the assets of the company. And depending on these assets, or depending on the control level, you need to take immediate action to stop that. Because otherwise, you may end up having a business that has no value in the future. So with partnership dispute, I strongly urge you to make a fast move. And also, if you are in a lawsuit already over this partnership dispute, there may be a TRO or a temporary restraining order that requires immediate attention. Please bring those papers and make sure you move fast. Commercial real estate disputes, sometimes depending on where you are, the contract may have deadline as to when you can make the objections, when you can make the claims, or when you can bring a dispute. Or it may have also certain time requirement that you do have to meet in order for you to bring your objections or claims. It is important for you to move things in a timely manner. Review your contract and make sure you're aware of these dates, and then find your consultation before that deadline so you do not miss any claims or a chance to raise objection if necessary. Regarding an employee dispute, I do want to advise two things. A lot of employee dispute, employer get to know it by two methods. One is either you get a call or you get an investigation notice from DOL, a Department of Labor, or you get it from EEOC. And when you get this notice, some people do not think it as seriously, so they immediately contact them or they immediately contact the employee to figure out what's going on. Some of your action you do in these process can work against you. So I strongly urge you that even if you are not planning to use an attorney and handle it yourself, at least talk to an attorney as into, hey, how should I act? What are some of the things I should watch out? What are some of the things that I should really be careful? I strongly urge you to find an attorney to solve it together. However, I do strongly urge you at least get a consultation before you start putting things in action. The second thing to keep in mind about employee dispute or action from employees is some employer gets very upset or emotional and bring the employees in or confront the employee. Either tell them, hey, this is not working out, and then they terminate, or they take certain action that makes the employee feel uncomfortable. These actions can be interpreted as a retaliation. That could be another violation of labor law. So I want you to be careful. A lot of times actions do occur while the employees are still working there. I need you to calm down when these actions happen, think it through, and then talk to an attorney before you take actions. Those are the two tips that I would like to give it to people who are going through a labor dispute. Thank you so much for setting up a consultation appointment with Sul Lee Law Firm.